OCI accounting system. It's easier, smarter, transparent, and practical. Doing progressive claims with OCI accounting system. Once you have secured a contract, you can enter it into the system for monitoring. Let's say you have a contracted amount for $1 million. Simple as that. Now the system is aware of your contract value. Next, after completed 25% of the work, you would like to do a progress claim. You don't need to re-enter the details, simply import them. After importing, you can amend the description appropriately. Enter the percentage claiming for. And you are ready to submit the document for the claim. In this case, you are putting up the 25% claim of $1 million, which work out to be $250,000 before GST. After submission, however, the owner or the main contractor only approved for 20% claim. This means that you can only invoice them the approved percentage. Let's issue an invoice by importing the details from contract and amend the amount appropriately. Amend the quantity to 20%, and the system will work out the invoice amount of $200,000 for you. Now you can send out the invoice. You simply process the periodical claims and leave it to the system to monitor the claim status. Let's check the outstanding amount for that $1 million project. You can see that the project is $1 million, and you have invoiced them for $200,000. That leaves the outstanding amount to be $800,000, which equates to 80% as outstanding. Monitoring progress claims is simple and easy with OCI accounting system.